How to send text messages on Telegram X. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily start messaging. First of all, open the application. So this interface will pop up. Basically, this is the place where all the people that you have added will pop up. Here, you can find all the contacts that you have added. Now simply tap on the person with whom you want to have conversation. So here I'm tapping on one. Here on the bottom, you can see this message section. So basically this is the message section. Here you can enter the message and directly send it to the person. So it works like a regular messaging app. Here you can even attach different files, and at last you can simply send it and it's done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.